Hello everyone, welcome to MathWiz. Today I will tell you how to factorize quadratic equation. But before that, hit that subscribe button to follow more such videos. So let's start. Equation is 5x squared minus 2x minus 3. So the first step is compare this equation with ax squared plus bx plus c. Therefore, a is equals to 5, b is equals to minus 2, and c is equals to minus 3. Second step, multiply a and c. Therefore, 5 into minus 3 is equals to minus 15. Third step is we have to make as much as possible factors of AC. That means 15. So the factors of 15 can be 3 and 5 or 15 and 1. Fourth step is arrange factors of 15 in such a way so that when we will add or subtract, we should get minus 2, which is B, and when we multiply factors of 15, we should get AC, which is minus 15. If I do 3 minus 5, I will get minus 2, which is our B, and if I multiply 3 with minus 5, I will get minus 15, which is AC. So we can write the factors of 15, 3 and 5 as 3 minus 5. Now we have to divide the equation into 5x squared minus 5x plus 3x minus 3. Original equation was 5x squared minus 2x minus 3. So if you will see, minus 5x plus 3x will give you minus 2x. So what we have done here? We have split the middle term. After we split the middle term, we have to divide the equation into two parts. First and second. From the first part, we can take 5x common, x minus 1 will be left inside the bracket. From the second part, we can take 3 common, x minus 1 will be left. Then again, we have to divide the equation into two parts, first and second. In first and second part, x minus 1 is common. What will be left? 5x plus 3 will be left. If you find it difficult to take common from the first part and the second part, then you can expand the numbers. For example, 5 into x, 5x squared minus 5 into x plus 3 into x minus 3. Now it's very easy to find out what is common. So in 5x into x and 5x, we have 5 common, we have x common. That's why we have taken here 5x common from 5x squared and 5x. And how we can find out what is left? If I'll divide 5 into x with 5x and 5 into x with 5x. If you will solve it, you will get equals to x, and if you will solve this part, you will get 1. That's why I have written here 5x, x minus 1 in the first part. So similar way, you can take common from the second part as well. So I hope you have understood it well.